show. So I'm just gonna add this a little bit to my inner corner, a tiny bit to my nose, maybe a little bit here, definitely here. But it's gonna make a big change. The other side is matte, and as you see, I've used these products. I wouldn't show you guys if I wouldn't use them beforehand. I know what they're like. And then I'm gonna probably clean up my eyebrows like that. Like that. The other eyebrow too, underneath here. And I haven't plucked my eyebrows in years, months and months. Okay, so the next step would be I could use a brown liner in my mascara. I'm not gonna do that for now because I don't know how dramatic my lips are going to be. So I'm gonna wait, probably do my lips first, then I'll see if I wanna add more to the eye or not. That's what I usually do. I use this lip liner every single day. It's called Darling. And literally, I have proof that I use it every single day. It's damaged, that's how much I use it. So I'm just gonna overline the bottom of my lip. I'm gonna go here, never overline here. And then I'm gonna overline here. And then I go in the middle, here and here. And we'll leave the rest empty. So then I'm gonna pick up this beautiful